Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we're glad to have you here, and to all our subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and welcome to Fandom NY. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful flower in a different color. So if you are interested to find out how to make this, please stick around and I'll show you how. We will need our 260 balloon. You stretch this before you inflate. Inflate it like this. Leave a little thing on the tip, like about a fist and a half or 2 fists, and then we'll put this on the side. I will have another one. Just like that. So now we'll put this on the side, the first one, and then you squeeze this. So first you're gonna fold, pinch, and then twist. Pinch, twist. Stick this in here. I'll do it twice. Squeeze, and then you're gonna fold it like that. But before you do, put this right here. This time you're gonna pinch this and twist, and then twist the circle just like that. So sideways, you're gonna make a pinch and then you twist, so about 2 finger. You're gonna fold this again, twist, just like that. Now do another one like this. Fold. Okay, you're gonna pinch here and then twist. Once you do that, you attach that to this one. Okay, so do the same thing until you get to the end. So pinch, remember, 2 finger, pinch, then twist, squeeze, then wrap this here and do the same thing. Pinch, twist, connect it to that one. So out of this balloon, I made 3 petals. So I'm gonna take this air, release the air, then we'll connect it here. So grab another 260 balloon, attach by connecting this and splice it together. And just cut the excess. So just like that, and then continue on, do the same thing. You make a pinch and then twist. Remember, you want like 2 fingers. Squeeze. Okay, pinch and twist. Remember, twist this, wrap this, pinch and twist, attach. So just like that, repeat the process until you get to the end here, or about 12 petals. So this one, it looks like I it was too short, so I'm just gonna cut this here now. I'm gonna splice another one here. So continue on, again, pinch, twist. Like that. Wrap this around, pinch, things like that. And I don't think we have enough here, so I'm just gonna stop there. We have another one. Connect this. So just like that, just continue on until you get to this part. The same process. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 petals right now. So this is the 12. Just like that, guys. So now we can wrap this here. Wrap it like that. So like that, pull this a little. Okay, connect this too. So you're gonna pinch and then twist. Connect your 260 balloon, the inside balloon. Then you just grab one 260 balloon, cut this off, and connect this too. And just arrange this in place. Just like that, guys. So the bottom part, just like that. So this time we need our 5 inches balloon. So I'll inflate our 5 inches balloon. So you want to make sure it'll fit here and not too big. So I'm gonna release some air. So when you go like that, it's perfect. Okay. So tie your balloon and then push this right here all the way to the tip. .260 balloon. Alright, so just like that, just center the hole or the dimple, and you can put this right in here. just like that. So to keep it in place, I'm gonna have another balloon, and then tie it right here. And there you go, it's beautiful. This will be perfect flower that you can add on your bouquet or even in your balloon garland. So if you have a rubber band or even the balloon 260, just do it like this. Attach it to your balloon, and then you can hook this to a garland or bouquet. I hope you guys like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Once again, this is FamBamNY. We will see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.